how to add a tag to a phone number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on phone app. So here click on this recents. So after click on recents, so select number from here. So after select number, you will see add tag is here. So click on add tag. So if you want to add tags, so click on add tag. So you will add tags from here. So after add tag, so click on save. You will see add tag is add. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add a tag to a phone number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.